Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening, Ma'am Farisha, and I am Laika Barcelona Gabel, and from Vice 1C, and these are the lessons which I learned from this topic. Number one is human environmental factors, which is reported by Jad Abdul Kahar. So, ito yung pag-aaral sa pagitan ng tao at sa kanyang environment. Like kung paano nakakaapekto ang kilos ng isang individual sa kanyang kapaligiran. So, number 2 is classroom climates by Amiril Zakaria Mamalo. Ito naman yung overall atmosphere ng isang classroom, which is nahuhubog dahil sa relationship ng mga estudyante. Sa bawat isa, yung pag-uugali nila sa mismong classroom at kung paano sila makipag-interact sa isa't isa. Number 3, the physical learning environment reporter by Dory Ismael. So ito naman yung tangible surroundings, like yung mga bago na nangangawakan, in which learning like place. For example, yung ilaw, cell phone, armchair, paper, and many more. So number 4 is the fourth one is the WICS. Ni-report ni Ashraf Buagas. So, WICS stand for Wisdom, Intelligence, Creativity, and Synthesize. Ito yung natututo ka dahil sa experience and kung paano ka nag-adapt sa iyong surroundings. So, number 5, the last one is two-dimension of the device taxonomy. Two-dimension of the device taxonomy, which was reported by Amara Dondoy. Sa topic na ito is merong dalawang dimension. So, ang dalawang dimension na yon is cognitive dimension. So, ito yung hierarchical or pag-iisip ng isang tao, mula sa remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, and evaluating, and then creating. The second dimension naman is the knowledge dimension. So, sa knowledge dimension is mapapaloob sa dimension na ito ang four knowledge categories, which are the functional, conceptual, procedural, and metacognitive. Like from concrete. So, yung mga specific details to abstract, which is the self-knowledge, kung ano ang opinion ng isang individual regarding such topic. So, hanggang dito lamang po ang aking maipapaliwanag. So, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Farisha. Again, I am Laika Gebel from Bais 1C. Thank you po.